What's the meaning of aspirant? Aspirant. Aspirant.
Aspirant. Aspirant. Aspirant is a noun that describes someone who has ambitious goals or desires to achieve a particular position or status. It is often used to describe individuals who are actively seeking to advance their careers, education, or personal interests with a strong sense of determination and motivation. Aspirants may face challenges, setbacks, and competition on their journey towards their goals, but their persistence and dedication can ultimately lead to success. Overall, an aspirant is someone who is driven to succeed and strives for excellence in their pursuits.